Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. The other day, my 9-year-old son came down into the kitchen and found my 12-year-old daughter in the middle of picking her nose and inspecting the bogies. When he pointed out what she was doing and said that it was gross, it was disgusting, she responded by saying, you can talk, what about you? You always do all kinds of disgusting things. This is a classic example of whataboutery. If you engage in whataboutery, basically what you do is you respond to an accusation or a difficult question by making a counter accusation or by raising a different issue. In short, it's basically the suggestion that a wrong isn't wrong because of another wrong. You may have encountered whataboutery over recent weeks when trying to have conversations about the war. If you point out that you think the war might be wrong, you get told, well, what about Iraq? What about what happened in Yugoslavia? What about what happened in Syria? As though somehow these other awful wars make this war less awful. You might respond by saying, listen, I'm not even going to engage with this kind of whataboutery. You might add a comment in social media saying, listen, this is just turbocharged whataboutery at its worst, and it's a very poor attempt at putting an argument together. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please do share the videos with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use whataboutery.